We are pleased to show you the 2021 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.